If you have n8n skills, but you're not getting the work that you want, then this is a hack that I want you to take advantage of. You're going to come over to the n8n website and you're going to sign up to become verified as an n8n automation workflow creator. I'll leave a link direct to this page in the description. And what you can see is all of these people here have signed up in order to do exactly that. We've even got here the n8n team. What happens is everybody who signs up to this gets this little tick next to it, a bit like when you see creators on Instagram or Facebook that have been verified. You can see that they put lots of workflow templates up, and the majority of these are going to be free. And you're going to need to do the same. However, because you are verified, what happens is you get your own dedicated page just like this on the n8n website, which means if you don't have clients or you're struggling to close them, then you can send this page over to that client and say, I'm a verified n8n creator. Look at all this other stuff that I have built. Do you want to hire me? But not only that, if somebody comes to the n8n website, sees what you're able to do, they can then hire you as well, because as you can see, this person has put in their LinkedIn, they put in their YouTube, and they get a link over to their website as well. So this is actually really, really easy for you to do. And being listed in the creator directory is not the only perk of this. As I said, you'll get the verified creator badge. You get to join a private discount channel, which is brilliant for collaborations and brilliant as well for networking. And on top of that, you've got direct connection to the product team, which means you get to see new functionalities firsthand. So all you've got to do is come to this page. As I said, the link is down in the description. You hit join now. That opens up this page here. All you do is sign up to share your workflow templates. You then just go through the process of sharing your templates, and then what you will get is you'll get a page that looks just like one of these, which has a list of all of your credentials. It's got a link to wherever you want to be contacted and a list of all of your workflows that you have created. Then all you need to do is send yourself a little bit of traffic so these get some views. Be easy as asking friends and family to come over and view them. And then once you've done that, like I said, every time you reach out to a client, you're able to send this over as part of that outreach, and they can see you, they can see that you're verified, and that's going to help you get that social proof you need in order to tip clients over into paying you for your service. We'll see you in the next one.